Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099-R on TurboTax. First, ensure you have your official Form 1099-R ready, as it contains all the necessary details for accurate reporting. This form reports distributions from pensions, annuities, retirement or profit-sharing plans, IRA, and insurance contracts. Having it handy will streamline the entire process within the software, making your tax preparation smoother and more efficient. Once in TurboTax, navigate to the Income section and select the option for retirement plan distributions. You will then be prompted to enter the information exactly as it appears on your Form 1099-R. Pay close attention to amounts in Box 1, Gross Distribution, and Box 2A, Taxable Amount, ensuring every digit is correct. This precision is crucial for accurate tax calculation. TurboTax guides you through various scenarios, such as rollovers or direct transfers, which are often not taxable. If you took an early distribution before age 59 and a half, the software will help determine if the 10% penalty applies. It also clarifies the taxability of different distribution types, ensuring you correctly report any non-taxable portions, like after-tax contributions. After entering your Form 1099-R details, always take a moment to review the summary provided by TurboTax. Double-check that all amounts, especially the taxable portion, match your records. This final review helps catch any input errors that could affect your tax liability or refund. Confirming accuracy here ensures your return is complete and correct before filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.